Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the Esewa app or web page and tapping Forgot Password. This triggers the secure recovery flow tied to your registered mobile number. Enter your Esewa ID or the phone number on file, then request the OTP. Once done, wait for the SMS. Network delays happen, so do not resend more than twice. Make sure your device can receive texts and has internet access, because the next step requires both the OTP and a working connection to verify you. After receiving the OTP, type it into the app exactly as shown. Mistakes lock you out temporarily. Once verified, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Choose at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, digits, and symbols, because stronger passwords prevent future breaches. Confirm the password, then submit. The system updates credentials and often logs you out of other sessions for safety. If you use a password manager, update the stored entry now so you avoid future login errors. Finally, log in with your new password and verify your account balance to confirm success. Also check linked bank cards. If you do not receive the OTP, wait 2 minutes before resending and toggle airplane mode or switch Wi-Fi to mobile data, because carrier delays are common. If the reset fails or transactions look wrong, gather your transaction ID and contact Esewa support immediately so they can trace the problem. Keep calm and provide requested ID details for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.